Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel Moparna's Gourmet. Today I am going to prepare a unique dish, tandoori chicken in achari masala. Most of us have tasted tandoori chicken and achari chicken separately, but when I tried combining both these two dishes, it tasted delicious with bursting flavors of spices, tanginess and a unique smoky flavor. Do watch the full video till the end to check out the unique recipe. So let's first prepare the chicken tandoori. For the chicken marination we need cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, tandoori masala, coriander powder, food color, amchur powder, garam masala, black pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste, lemon, roasted gram flour or besan that helps the marination stick to the chicken while roasting, charcoal and ghee, and hung curd, that is nothing but curd that has been strained off all the liquid. Here I have used 1 kg of whole chicken legs to make it, as whole chicken legs with thighs have more fat content, thus making the tandoori chicken really juicy and moist. Now with a sharp knife make deep gashes or slits on the chicken pieces. These cuts are necessary for this recipe as it ensures deep penetration of the marinade, making it perfect and juicy. Then pat dry the chicken meat with a kitchen tissue to avoid any excess liquid into it. To prepare the marinade, firstly transfer the hung curd to a large bowl. In this recipe, hung curd is used as thick yogurt binds all the spices and makes sure they cling well with the chicken. Then put in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of all the spice powders as shown. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Also squeeze some lemon juice to add a nice tangy taste, and oil as well. Then mix the marinade well to make a smooth paste. The marinade has to be thick, otherwise it will stick to the pan. Taste the marinade and add any ingredient needed to suit your taste. Now marinate the chicken well with your fingers so that the masala reaches deep inside. The marinade will tenderize the chicken, so make sure you do it properly. Tandoori chicken is a Mughlai cuisine and an iconic smoky chicken dish. Traditionally, it is prepared by grilling the marinated chicken in a clay oven or tandoor, but since modern homes do not have clay ovens anymore, I'll prepare it by stovetop method by grilling on a pan to mimic the same flavor. Then cover the bowl with a lid and refrigerate for 24 hours. The longer you marinate, the better the flavors soak into it. If you wish to give the earthy smoky flavor to the dish, then simply give the charcoal smoke to the marinated chicken just before cooking it. For the smoky flavor, take a small steel bowl or aluminium foil and then put a hot charcoal in it. Pour a little oil or ghee over it. Smoke will come out, so immediately cover the pan for 5 minutes. Chicken will absorb the smokiness. Take a non-stick pan and put 2 tablespoons of ghee over the hot pan. Now put the smoked marinated chicken pieces in the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. I have cooked the chicken in 2 batches. Sear each side for 15 minutes on medium flame. For the charred look, keep them on high heat for more 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the chicken pieces and cook for another 15 minutes. Occasionally brush some ghee or oil to the tandoori chicken to prevent it from drying. Cook the chicken on high heat so that all the liquid evaporates. The tandoori chicken generally gets its color from the Kashmiri red chili powder or the food color that we use. If you want, you can avoid using food color. Then remove and keep aside the tandoori chicken. You can have it this way as an appetizer, or for a unique flavor, you can proceed with the next steps that I am showing. Now I'll make the achari masala for my tandoori chicken. Achari chicken is a North Indian dish made by cooking chicken with pickling spices. To make the achari masala, I have taken 1 teaspoon each of black cumin seeds or kalonji seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds. Two dried red chilies, and for tempering in oil, some curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Now prepare the achari spice powder by first roasting the short ingredients. When the spices start giving out aroma, transfer them to a mixer and make a fine powder. This is the achari masala, which is the speciality of this dish. For the curry, we need 2 medium-sized onions and a tomato. Finely chop them. Heat oil in a pan, then temper the oil with curry leaves and mustard seeds. The curry leaves add highly aromatic flavor to the dish. Mustard seeds is an essential ingredient in pickles and curries as it gives an earthy flavor. When they start spluttering, add the finely chopped onions with 1 tablespoon of salt and saute until golden. Add the chopped tomatoes and then add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps the tomatoes to cook faster. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes away. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala and mix well. Next, stir in the achari spice powder. Add 2 tablespoons of warm water and saute until a nice aroma comes out. Cover and saute on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the masala leaves the pan. Then adding some water to the leftover marination, mix it to the onion tomato masala. Stir well to incorporate it with the masala. Then cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. For a gravy consistency, you can add some more water and let bubble on low flame. Your achari masala is ready. You can add the tandoori chicken pieces to the masala or the masala to the pieces. In either way, let the chicken soak in the masala for few minutes. Then serve it hot and enjoy with rice, roti or naan. Do try out this recipe once. It has a tangy, smoky and a wonderful taste, very much different from the usual dishes. The chicken is perfectly cooked. As you can see, it is so juicy and just falling off the bones. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more such videos.